So this is the third 1000 plus pips setup on gold that I have shared in my community. At this point, it's no coincidence, it's execution. Let's break it down. So as you can see, this is the setup currently delivering 1000 plus pips. The target for this setup is 3000 plus pips. Okay, and as it stands, we are risk free because 1000 plus pips, we are risk free already. So how did I get this setup and why did I consider here as my entry point? The simple thing I did was to zoom into the chart. You can see going all the way to my left hand side. So reaching here, you can follow my rectangle. Okay, you can see this point. This zone was where gold rejected some weeks ago. On the 29th of January, you can see gold reaching this zone, it rejected to continue buying to the upside, and again it came back, rejected again to continue buying to the upside, and then now it finally broke. It still rejected a bit before it broke to the downside to sell, and then coming to react into that zone. And what do we have here? We have OB, you can call it order block. And what do we have here? We have a supply here. Okay, you can see the supply, and this is where I now marked my zone because of this rejection, and then this supply zone. On every rule, you should expect that after this supply zone was created and market went to the downside, you should expect gold to come all the way to come and react in that supply zone to continue selling. But that's not what happened. So because of this rejection, and this supply zone, I marked out my zone expecting gold to react there. Okay, so after I marked that zone, coming all the way to this side, you can see none of all these trades, none of all these candlesticks entered that zone. They were just playing around the zone. So coming all the way to this zone, I was waiting for gold to react to there to get a confirmation to sell there. But no, when the market opened, gold pushed all the way to the upside, breaking that supply zone. So once a supply zone is broken, we should expect it to become demand zone. So which is where I now marked and waited for my entry. You can see on this horizontal dotted line, that's where I said consider buying gold. I dropped it in my community. I said expecting a 3000 move on gold from this zone, and as you can see, market went all the way and reversed back into there, reacted there, and continue being bullish. So at this point, this setup is 1000 plus pips already. Target for 3000 plus pips. We are risk free, and this is how I got this setup. Easy, right? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all my analysis on each trades I take. I made analysis of this trade that delivered 1000 pips. It's in my channel. I made analysis of also this one that delivered 1000 plus pips. Is in my channel. I also made analysis of this sell that delivered over 500 plus pips. Is in my channel. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all this analysis. Also click the link in my bio. Join my Telegram community where I drop all this setup at entry point for us to trade together for free. See you guys soon.